Okay, my dear learners, I'm going to talk about something called the Referencing Manager software, which will help you to reference your work more properly and accurately. There are two Referencing Manager software available, which is free and you can download easily. One of the Reference Manager software is called the Mendeley Reference Manager software, and the other one is called the Zotero. Okay, so both the softwares are free to download. Okay, and once you click the Zotero, it will pump up a new web page called your personal research assistant. Download the Zotero. The Zotero software download is very easy. Likewise, if you want to download the Mendeley software, the same thing will happen. Once you click it, the Mendeley software browser will appear in your computer and it will pop up and shows the download option where you can easily download your software where it can see here. Both the software has a very interesting feature. It can download and use it in the desktop. For example, it will look like this, the Mendeley the one I am using at the moment, Mendeley desktop software. It can include all the referencing you want by clicking adding references here, and same goes to Zotero. And Zotero as well, it has a file option called the file new item. You can see here new item, and in the new item you can record all the list of documents as you're referencing for citation. You can also click new collection to collect all the information. You can always use the import like bibliometric text, bibtext, RIS, all these new bibliometric inside you can also import to this software. Okay, then this is another interesting feature of this software is using this software you can add in to your browser. For example, here you can see the Mendeley software browser is already added here. It will attach like this, and this one also Zotero um, add in browser software already added to my browser. What it will do, if you go and Google something, for example, if I want to Google something called the entrepreneurial activity, let's say entrepreneurship, let's say, and there are a lot of work you can see here, right? So let's say you'd like to open something called a PDF file, and let's say this is a PDF file, and then you open it, the PDF file, for instance this one. Okay, all you have to do is once it opens, okay, like this, okay, just take a few minutes to open the file. Once it opens, you just need to click the Zotero extension. Here I can show you, this is the Zotero extension. You can see it's already showed the PDF feature, I mean the PDF icon, which means I'm going to save this PDF for my further referencing in my work. Okay, so let's say this one I would like to include in my Zotero um, software. Just need to press this one and it will automatically, you can see here, saving to this citation in my Zotero software. So this will add it to my Zotero. So you do not need to download any PDF files. You just have to press the icon where it says the Zotero or Mendeley soft paper needs to be included in the software. Okay, once you added your list of citations or the required number of referencing, for instance this one, you have in Mendeley a lot of referencing are here. Let's assume that I am going to use it in one of my work where, for example, this is one of my work which I am doing at the moment, and you see here in my top ribbon of the Word document, the Zotero icon is already there. Okay, and it actually gives me the opportunity to add and edit citation and also add and edit bibliography. Same goes to if you go to the referencing. Okay, if you press the referencing, you see here the Mendeley citation is already here added to your ribbon in the Word document. You see here inside citations. So you can either use Zotero or you can use Mendeley for your referencing manager. And all you have to do, for example, if you refer one item, just press where you want to cite. Okay, and let's say I would like to put Zotero in this case, just add citation. Okay, and once you add citation, the Zotero will pop up in window, and this will automatically add to your uh, citation here. As well as if you press add and edit bibliography, it will add it in the below of your paper like this, the list of the bibliography. If you want to further know about your using of Zotero and Mendeley, I recommend that you download both the software Zotero and Mendeley and use it in your research, so that both the softwares you will be familiar with, and you start doing adding your citation, adding your bibliography extension using in the browser, download your citations, and whenever you face any problem you can always come back and talk to me, and you can always ask me if any problem comes up. So this is two types of free available software which can be used for your reference manager software, and I strongly recommend to use these two software for your assignment, project, or any other work in future as well. This is a good platform for using a software instead of manually adding referencing in your work. Thank you so much for this referencing manager training. Hopefully we will use more example in upcoming work as well. Thank you. Thank you, learners.